This can happen by simply having a desktop or laptop with an online connection then getting purchased certain services. Here are some great ideas that won't cost the entrepreneur that much to urge started. A very good example is answering some surveys. There was a time that companies would call people to return to the office to answer an issue. Those that didn't have the allow this may do that over the phone. In order to urge more respondents, firms have decided to figure with marketing research firms to conduct online surveys. Respondents are paid after completing the questionnaire. The payment varies, so this might be as small as $1 to something higher like $20. Those who would really like to talk out can earn money by posting a blog. The person doesn't get paid to write down something here but earns revenue through advertisements that folks would really like to place up within the site. Something similar to blogging is being an affiliate. Here, the person allows the main search engines to place up ads in exchange for a sales commission for each item that was purchased. If an individual is creative, money also can be made by creating an internet site. The entrepreneur can sell items through the web or auction items that others would really like to spare. Not everyone is good with computers. Those who are should cash in of this by offering consultancy services to those that need help. The person can charge by the hour or per website if this is often what the client wants. It is also possible to charge extra for the help rendered in maintaining the location. People who have touch money to spare can invest within the stock exchange or within the exchange market. Most of the investments are here long-term. Those who haven't done this before should get help from a web broker to find out the ropes and therefore the tricks of the trade. Network marketing is additionally different to form money online. The person will recruit people to try to do the selling, then earn a commission for every sale that was made. This isn't easy, and therefore the first challenge is going to be to show the customer into an agent, which all begins by working with an email list. It will even be a good idea to sell a number of these things to the buyer. This is because the folks that were hired might not always do an honest job, which can also affect the commissions coming at the top of each month. There are other ways of creating money online, and this needs both creativity and patience. It may seem difficult during the primary few months, but those that are ready to get the hang of things may pursue this full-time rather than the regular day job. It always pays to try some research first so as to balance the risks. If the potential of creating enough money is high, then the entrepreneur should choose it. There is money out there. The person can invest tons or spend on an equivalent thing for fewer.